Ever feel like your 9 to 5 just isn't cutting it? Or maybe you're looking for a smart side hustle that doesn't eat up all your free time? Well, what if I told you there's a growing side hustle where you help businesses do less manual work while you earn more? It's called being an AI workflow automation specialist. And no, you don't need to be a coder or some tech wizard to get started. If you can think logically, follow simple steps, and use tools like Google Sheets, ChatGPT, or Notion, you're already halfway there. Welcome to Elite Growth Maps, your ultimate blueprint for mastering wealth, business, and self-development. Let's break it down. An AI workflow automation specialist helps small businesses or solo entrepreneurs automate repetitive tasks using AI and no-code tools. We're talking about things like automatically sending emails, organizing incoming data, scheduling posts, and even generating reports using AI. You use tools like Zapier, Make.com, ChatGPT, Notion, and Google Sheets. Your job is simple. Spot a task that's done over and over, and build a system that handles it automatically. It saves the business time, and they pay you for that value. Not all side hustles are worth your time, but this one checks all the boxes. No inventory, no cold selling, no dancing on TikTok, unless you want to. Instead, it's problem solving. It's using tools to save people time, and that's always valuable. You can earn anywhere from $300 to $1,500 per client, depending on the project, and even more if you offer ongoing support. And the best part, it's fully remote. You can do it from home, a cafe, or a beach somewhere. The work is digital. The income is real. Now let's talk learning. You don't need to go to college. Everything you need is online, for free or super cheap. Start here. Step 1, learn the tools. Go to Zapier and try building a simple automation. Explore ChatGPT prompts. Play around with Google Sheets or Airtable. Step 2, automate your own stuff. Can you make a form that auto-sends an email? Can you get a daily task list created using AI? Try connecting your calendar with your Notes app. Step 3, watch free tutorials. Search on YouTube for Zapier tutorial for beginners, how to automate small business tasks, or no-code tools for beginners. With just 1 to 2 weeks of practice, you'll already know more than most business owners. Okay, you've got some skills. Now let's get clients. Start with people you know. Ask friends or small business owners. Do you spend too much time doing the same thing every day? I can probably automate that for you. You can also reach out directly to small businesses you find on Instagram, Etsy, or even LinkedIn. Say something like, "Hey, I help small businesses save time by automating repetitive tasks using tools like ChatGPT and Zapier. Want a free audit to see what we can improve?" Keep it helpful, not salesy. Focus on the value, saving time, reducing stress, and making their lives easier. Let's talk about pricing. If you're just starting, charge around $100 to $300 per project. Once you're confident and have results, move up to $500 or more per project. You can also offer a monthly retainer where you keep their automations updated. That can be another $200 to $500 a month per client. Want to grow faster? Ask for testimonials after every project. Record video walkthroughs of your automations. Share your wins on LinkedIn, or even start a blog or YouTube channel. Eventually, you can specialize in one industry like real estate or coaching, sell automation templates, or turn it into a full-blown agency. So here's the bottom line. Becoming an AI workflow automation specialist is like learning a modern-day superpower. It's valuable, flexible, and in high demand. And you don't need to be perfect or know everything to start. You just need to start. Small, simple, one automation at a time. So if you're ready to build a smart side hustle and help people save time, this is your sign. Let me know in the comments which next AI tool would you like us to unpack or how to pitch your first client. I'm here to help. Congratulations for watching this far. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more smart hustle tips. Let's meet on the next video that pops up on the screen. This is Elite Growth Maps, your ultimate blueprint for mastering wealth, business, and self-development.